What's up, YouTube? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's popping? And if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is gonna be my pampering vlog. I'm gonna be getting my hair done, my nails done. I'm not gonna be getting my lashes done. So I'm supposed to be going out of town. I'm supposed to be going to Houston on Sunday, and I just needed to get done up a little bit. I barely want to get my nails and toes done, but I'm gonna get them done anyway. But yeah, I'm about to get my hair done. We got She Hollywood on the hair. So this the before. This is the before, and I'm gonna show y'all the after. I guess I'll show y'all a little bit in the process. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm getting into after it, so y'all can see what's going on. Just know it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. In other words, it's gonna be fire. So yeah, we just sitting here kicking it. I'm waiting on her to start on my hair. I'm eating my, oh my gosh, what is that? So I'm about to be eating my lamb chops. I need this. But yeah, so we about to sit here and kick it, and I'm gonna wait till she start on my hair. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Get these reels together.
Yeah, but all they want is me. Got a Glock on the pillow, she run from my game. And I'm on 100 G's and she still wasn't pleased. I gave her 100 G's.
Oh no, it's too close. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah. Ooh, legs thick. Yeah. What's up, y'all? So in this vlog, or this part of the vlog, I'm about to get my teeth whitened because y'all know this is a pampering vlog. So I have to get my teeth whitened. They don't look, you know, they don't just look bad or whatever. And I whitened them myself last night. So on top of me whitening them last night, plus me about to get them professionally whitened, they should be pearly, like pearly white, because that's what I want them. That's how they was when I first got them with composite veneers. If you didn't know, you have to get them whitened, you know, every here and there, whiten them yourself, just little stuff like that. I need to see if she got any of the at-home kits. But yeah, so today I'm going to get on whitened, because this is part of me getting pampered. I am going out of town on Sunday, going to Houston, and even though I'm not really gonna be like just out there doing nothing crazy or like going to the club or partying or nothing like that, I'm gonna be out there with family. I still wanted to get a little done up, you know. I'm gonna get my nails done or whatever. I haven't had my nails done in a while. I had gave my nails a break. I might just do some press-ons. I don't know. But yeah, so another part of this vlog, I'm gonna be getting my nails done. But right now I'm about to go get my teeth whitened. Well, I can't say that right. So this the before, and I'm gonna show y'all the after. I'll be so scared to record in people places, but I might do a little recording on my phone. But I'm not about to take my whole camera in there and vlog, because I don't like asking people, can I vlog in here? Can I? No, I'm real shy. So yeah, my hair already done. Y'all seen that part of the clip of me getting my hair, I mean the part of the vlog of me getting my hair done. That was the first part of me getting pampered. Now this part is gonna be my teeth whitened and my nails done. I don't know if I'm gonna get a wax. I slick want to get a wax. I haven't had a wax in months, but yeah, I might want to get a wax. And then me clearing, I'm working on clearing up my skin. Like, it's way better than what it was. Like, it's mainly dark spots now. A little texture, but it's mainly dark spots, and then this right there, those is kind of all flat and just dark. But that and these dark spots, that's what I've been working on. I needed to clear it before I go out of town as much as it possibly can. I've been taking my vitamins, drinking my water, and minding my business. So skin, you need to get it together ASAP. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go inside here because it's time for my appointment. It started at 12. It's 11:57, and I just pulled up. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so don't mind all this Vaseline. My lips was so dry, but I'm done getting my teeth whitened, and look at that. Oh, back popping, don't play. Got me all the way together. Teeth is, I'm gonna have to do this every few months or whatever, but I don't mind because look at that. Now that we got that out the way, it's time to go get my nails done. So I'm happy with the results of my teeth, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip when I'm getting my nails done. So this was pampering part 2. Now we about to get to part 3, so I'm gonna see y'all in a minute, okay?
But I know whether this ain't trill fair. If I post your body on the gram, you gon' lose fans. If I tell you why to use the knees like Meg the Stallion, huh? Stroking while you yanking on my chain for my medallion, all you want is time with me, I kinda think it's comedy.
What's up, y'all? So I just finished getting my nails done. Y'all know I had to come with the Frenchies. This is my go-to nail set because I'm so plain and boring when it comes to my nails. And yeah, this is my go-to set, like, period. Look how cute. Like, you can't go wrong with French tips. And I also got French tips. Let me turn this off. I hope y'all can hear me, but I also got French tips on my feet too, because like I said, you can't go wrong with French tips. It's just a go-to set. Yeah, so now for this pampering vlog, I am going to get me something that I like to eat, like that I want to eat. I really want something with a lot of flavor. Lately I've been craving all type of foods, but really good food. Like, I want some really good food. So first things first, I'm going to the crack house. It's not what y'all think. It's they make like the grapes and the fruits with the like candy on it, and they call themselves the crack house. So I haven't been there. I made some myself before. As a matter of fact, I think I got an old video of me making it on YouTube. Like, I think if I still got it up. But yeah, so it's basically like grapes with candy on it, and like a candy apple with Jolly Rancher. It just have all type of candy on the grape. And I want some. Like, I've never been to the actual place. I always made them myself. So I decided I want to go to the actual place because I'm in the area. So after that, really I need to find something to eat for real, because them grapes is not what I want to. I mean, I want to eat them, but you know, I want something fulfilling. I'm hungry, and I don't know. We got buffalo wing, got Chipotle, Captain D, ill, Checkers, ill, Wing and Burger Factory. Like, I just really want something good to eat, and I don't really know what I want. I don't want Chipotle. I know I don't want Captain D's. I know I don't want Subway. What else? Don't want Checkers. Like, I really want something good to eat. And I know it's a restaurant over this way. I really don't know yet, but this is part of my pampering vlog, feeding myself something good to eat. Really, now that I'm thinking about it, the only pampering, okay, yeah. So far I did 3 things. It's been my hair, my teeth whitening, and my nails. I think that's all this pampering vlog is gonna consist of, because I'm not getting a wax. I changed my mind. I'm just not finna get a wax. I mean, whatever, I could always shave. And now I'm about to get me something to eat. So that's really the main part of this vlog. The main parts of this vlog is those 4 things. So let's just be on the way. I think the place is like 3 minutes from here. I'm like, yes, I can finally go over there and get these grapes because I really want to try it. And they open till like 9 o'clock. So I'm like, bet. I'm about to go get me some. But I still got to figure out what else I'm going to eat because I'm hungry. So I'm going to see y'all when I figure out whether if I'm about to go get the grapes first or go get something to eat first. But either way, y'all are going to see. So, okay.
Fuck you like a sad, but I'm no Webby, this ain't trill fan. If I post your body on the grams, you gon' lose fans. If I tell you ride it, use them knees like Meg Thee Stallion, huh? Stroke it while you yanking on my chain, fuck mama dying, all you want is time with me, I kinda think it's comedy. Before you got the dick, you wasn't worried about me, honestly. Obviously, I'm humble, but I...
Alright, y'all. So I just got the grapes. Let me open them so y'all can see. Woo! Are they frozen? Oh. Look at that. And y'all heard I got the cotton candy. This gonna be my first time trying them. They was kind of expensive for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 grapes. They kind of big grapes, but $10. I better not break my teeth on them. That was good. I only got what, 7 left? Only got 7 left. What can I eat over here that's good? I want something good to eat. Oh, what is that? I'm about to go over here. Look like it might have something good over there. I want something different. I kind of want some oysters though, but I ain't trying to spend all that money right now. Oh, this Chinese food, China cafeteria. I might give me a little Chinese. Let's see what they got. They got chicken nuggets, wings, and maybe like some sesame seed chicken and shrimp fried rice. I really wanted to sit down somewhere for real, but it ain't nowhere over here. I'm not finna drive for I might get a Philly. I need to go in here. I'm gonna look in here and see. I'm gonna ask them for the menu so I can see what exactly what I get. If I don't see nothing, I'm about to go right here. Let's see what they got. Egg rolls, chef salad. Do they even got wings? I don't even know if they got wings. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I need help. I'm gonna leave the grapes in here so I don't eat them up. I wanted to save some for my baby, but it's only 7 in here. Like, by the time I get home, it's gonna be melted. But all right. So I decided to get a Philly and some wings. A Philly and some wings and fries. They gave me so many fries. I like it. It's hot. But, so, it was between me going to Milk and Honey restaurant and American Wings. I went into Milk and Honey. I looked at the menu and I just wasn't trying to spend that much for something I didn't really know if I wanted to eat for real. I was looking at their burgers and I was like, ooh, they little surf and turf looking burger. It looked real good. But then I'm like, it's a burger place right down the way. American Wings, they sell burgers too. So I was like, you know what, I'm just about to go down there, because why would I spend $20 on a burger here when it's a burger place right here, if I really wanted a burger. But I ended up getting in there and I ended up getting a Philly. I didn't even get a burger. Woo! Yeah, I'm just about to sit right here. If y'all know me, then you should know that I like to sit in my car. And I like to eat in my car too. I would have a whole picnic in my car. It was either that or sit in a restaurant. And the restaurant wasn't too... I didn't want to sit in the place that I bought the Philly from, because it just wasn't giving. Sit and eat in there. Again, it was a man in there. On top of all that, it was a man in there. I believe he was homeless, because when he had to be homeless, because when he came out, he pushed a buggy with, like, I guess his stuff in there. But he was in there, and while he eating and stuff, he started, I don't know if it was coughing. What did he do? He did, or a loud burp. It was just something that was just like, why did you just do that shit? And so that was the first thing. Then when he was about to leave out, I feel like he did it again, or he did something like a cough or something, like just basically just basically not having no type of manners at all. Didn't say excuse me, didn't say nothing, which was like, ew. And then when he went out and he grabbed his buggy, I'm like, okay, it makes sense now why he was acting like that. But still, like, you could be homeless and still have manners. They just don't be caring for real. Dang, it's falling apart. So make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. Go do that. Make sure y'all like this video. And another thing y'all can do is let me know what y'all want to see me do, because when I cater to you all, when y'all ask what exactly y'all want to see me do, that video goes up. Like, it gets a lot of watches, you know, a lot of views, a lot of interaction. So if y'all let me know what y'all want to see me do or explain or anything like that, then I'm gonna bring y'all that content, because I love doing the vlogs. The vlogs get, like, it's always the same amount of views on the vlogs. They don't really get that many views. But when I do something that's informative or something different, it seems to get more views, especially when it's something that y'all ask me to do. So make sure y'all leave y'all ideas in the comments, like this video, subscribe to my channel, of course, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.